Hi guys, Captain Nick Pavlakis here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. Today I'm showing you a all new inventory piece. This is a used trade-in Aquila 44 2018. Very near and dear to my heart. Had a lot of great memories on this boat with some awesome owners, and they traded up to a larger Aquila, so now's your chance to skip the wait and get a used one that is meticulously maintained, always captained by a MarineMax captain, on a monthly maintenance schedule here at MarineMax in St. Pete, the Aquila hub, so you know it's been looked after. Complete package. Back here it's going to come with a high field tender, ready to rock and roll. Sea deck on the boat, and of course if you want to hop on board, there's a few upgrades that you're going to notice on this boat that aren't going to be on a new Aquila. First of all, JL audio throughout the whole boat, opposed to the Fusion. Sound system on this boat really gets cranking. Go inside here. Got the light ash interior. Bars open. This is about as loaded as an Aquila 44 can get. Lower helm. Premium interior. As you guys know, on the 44s we have the two mirroring, almost mirroring staterooms on the sides. The full beam master up front. If you want to just kind of walk through there really quick, follow me down here. This was my room. Notice you have your own nice view right there, and of course a dry head. Follow me on up here. You're going to have something very similar on the side. A little dark down here right now, but from up here. Moving up here, lower helm. I used to not be a fan of lower helm until I started running this boat back and forth to Captiva. It's hot out, and man, it is amazing how much less drained you are at the end of the day when you are, you know, inside in the air conditioning, talking to the owners and stuff like that, and you're not getting beat up outside. Of course, down here we have the full beam master with its own head down below, and a nice little vanity over there as well. Let's make our way up to the flybridge. Notice the sea deck, custom sea deck on the side right there. Follow me up. Got our Ray Marine electronics. Volvo gauge, about 600 hours on the engines, just broken in. Have our Kenyan grill. Cooked a lot of great meals up here. Follow me up to the bow. There's another upgrade. Oh. Over here. We've got a custom bow pad on this Aquila 44. There's so much great real estate up here, and these owners really figured out how to use it. They are removable for cleaning and stuff like that, but I'm gonna miss hanging out on this boat, unless of course you buy it from me down here at MarineMax in St. Pete, and we can make some memories of our own. I'm Captain Nick Pavlakis, MarineMax St. Petersburg, the Aquila hub of the United States of America, and I look forward to getting you on your next dream machine. You like that?